the new roommate.
Hey, Jack, do you have a minute?
Sure, Emily. What's up?
Well, I need a new roommate for next month.
Oh, really? What happened to Sarah?
She's moving to London for a new job.
That's great for her. Do you have any candidates?
Yes, a girl named Jessica is interested.
Oh, what is she like?
She seems very nice and quiet.
That's good. Is she a student?
No, she works at a local library.
Excellent. What does she look like?
She's quite tall, with short brown hair and glasses.
She sounds friendly. Is she tidy?
Yes, she says she loves cleaning.
Wow, she is the perfect roommate then.
I hope so. I am meeting her tonight
Where are you meeting her?
at the Italian restaurant on Main Street.
Oh, the one with the delicious pizza?
Yes, that's the one.
Well, good luck with the meeting.
Thanks. I'm a bit nervous, actually.
Don't worry. You're easy to get along with.
That's nice of you to say, Jack.
Let me know how it goes.
I will. I'll text you tomorrow morning.
Perfect. Have a great evening.
Planning a holiday?
Hey, Sam. Let's plan our summer trip today.
Great idea, Chloe. Where do you want to go?
I want to go somewhere beautiful and warm.
How about Spain? The beaches are lovely.
That sounds nice, but is it too crowded?
Yes, some places are very busy in August.
What about a small mountain village in Austria?
Oh, is it quiet there?
Yes, it's very peaceful, green and clean.
What can we do there?
We can go hiking and see the beautiful lakes.
That sounds amazing, but I love the sea.
Me too, but the mountains are so fresh.
True. What is the weather like there?
It's warm during the day and cool at night.
That sounds perfect for sleeping.
Exactly. The guest house is very traditional too.
Really? What does it look like?
It's a wooden house with flowers on the balconies.
That sounds incredibly cozy.
Yes, and the views are spectacular.
Okay, you win. Let's choose the mountains.
Yay, I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's look at flights now.
I can check them on my laptop.
Perfect. Let's find a cheap one.
Here's a good flight for next month.
Awesome. Let's book it right away.
Finding the library.
Excuse me? Do you live around here?
Yes, I do. Can I help you?
Thanks. I'm looking for the city library.
Ah, the library. It's not far from here.
Oh, great. What does the building look like?
It's a very large, modern building.
Is it the one made of glass and steel?
Yes, exactly. It has a big clock on the front.
Okay. I think I know where that is.
It's next to a beautiful green park.
Is the park the one with the large fountain?
Yes, that's the one.
Perfect. Is it past the big supermarket?
Yes, go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks. And then
Turn left at the traffic lights.
turn left. Got it.
You will see the modern library on your right.
Is there a cafe inside the library?
Yes, there is a small, quiet cafe on the ground floor.
Wonderful. I need to do some studying.
It's a very peaceful place to study.
That's exactly what I need today.
It gets a bit busy in the afternoon, though.
That's fine. I only need 2 hours.
Great. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
The new teacher.
Hey, Lily, did you have the new English class?
Yes, I just finished it.
Oh, what is the new teacher like?
Her name is Miss Green. She is very friendly.
That's good. Is she strict?
No, not at all. She smiles a lot.
What does she look like?
She's quite young, and she has curly red hair.
Oh, she sounds nice. Does she speak fast?
No, she speaks very clearly and slowly.
That's helpful. My English is still basic.
Don't worry. She uses simple words.
What is her classroom like?
It's very bright and colorful.
Are there posters on the walls?
Yes, there are maps and English vocabulary posters.
I like classrooms like that.
Me too. It makes learning more fun.
Do we have homework today?
Just a very short writing task.
What do we need to write about?
We have to describe our favorite place.
That sounds easy enough.
Yes, it's a good first homework.
Do you have her class again tomorrow?
No, my next class is on Thursday.
Okay. Thanks for the information, Lily.
No problem, Lucas. See you later.
House hunting.
Well, this is the building, Ryan.
It looks very old, Sophia.
Yes, but the inside is completely new.
Really? Let's go in and see.
Look, this is the living room.
Oh, wow. It is very bright.
Yes, the windows are huge.
I love the view from here.
Me too. It looks over a quiet street.
Is the kitchen big?
It's small, but it is modern and clean.
Is there a dishwasher?
Yes, there is a brand new dishwasher.
Excellent. What about the bedroom?
Let's walk down the hall. Here it is.
It's a bit small, but it's cozy.
The walls are a nice, warm gray.
Yes, I like the color. It's very relaxing.
There's also a large wardrobe.
That's very useful. Where is the bathroom?
It's just opposite the bedroom.
Oh, it has a beautiful blue shower.
Yes, and everything is clean.
Is the rent expensive?
No, it's actually very reasonable.
This place is perfect for us.
I think so too. Let's call the agent.
Yes. Let's tell him we want it.
Meeting a friend.
Hey, Mia, where are you?
I'm at the train station, Oliver.
Me too, but it's very crowded.
Yes, there are so many people here today.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a yellow jacket and blue jeans.
Okay. A yellow jacket? Is it bright yellow?
Yes, it is very bright. You can't miss it.
Are you wearing a hat?
No, but I have a big black backpack.
I'm looking around, but I don't see you.
Where are you standing?
I'm near the information desk.
Oh, I see the information desk.
Great. What are you near?
I'm standing next to the coffee shop.
Is it the coffee shop with the green sign?
Yes, That's the one.
Okay, I see the green sign now.
Can you see me? I'm waving my hand.
Ah, are you next to the tall man?
Yes, he is holding a newspaper.
Yes, I see you now.
Great, I see you too.
You're wearing a white scarf, right?
Yes, I forgot to mention the scarf.
I am walking over to you now.
Awesome. See you in a second.
My favorite cafe.
I'm so tired of studying at home.
Me too. Let's go to a cafe.
Do you know a good one nearby?
Yes, there's a lovely place called The Corner.
What is it like?
It's small, warm, and very cozy.
Is it noisy?
No, they play soft jazz music.
That sounds perfect for reading.
Yes, and they have very comfortable armchairs.
Excellent. How are the drinks?
The coffee is delicious and the tea is good too.
Do they have anything to eat?
Yes, they make fresh chocolate cakes every morning.
Oh, I love chocolate cake.
Their cake is the best in town.
What do the staff look like? Are they friendly?
Yes, the baristas are always happy and helpful.
Is the cafe expensive?
No, it is quite cheap for students.
Is there free internet?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is very fast.
That's great. Where is it exactly?
It's on Pine Street, near the library.
Oh, that's only 5 minutes away.
Yes, it's very close.
Let's go there right now.
Great idea. I'm ready to go.
Looking at old photos.
Who is this in the photo, Noah?
That's my Uncle David.
He looks very young here.
Yes, he was 20 years old in that picture.
He has very kind eyes.
He is a very generous man.
What does he do now?
He is a doctor at the hospital.
Oh, really? Is he married?
Yes, that is his wife next to him.
She is beautiful. She has long, blonde hair.
Yes, her name is Sarah. She is a teacher.
They look very happy together.
They are. They have 2 children now.
Who is the little boy in the front?
That's my cousin Leo. He is 10 now.
He looks just like his father.
Yes, they both have curly black hair.
And who is the girl with the big smile?
That's Lily, his younger sister.
She is very cute. How old is she?
She is 7 years old now.
This is a beautiful family photo.
Thanks. It was taken at a beach in Spain.
The beach looks so clean and sunny.
It was a wonderful holiday.
I love looking at old pictures.
Me too. They bring back great memories.
The perfect hotel.
I need to book a hotel for my holiday.
I stayed at a great hotel last month.
Oh, where was it?
It was in a quiet town by the sea.
That sounds lovely. What was the name?
It's called the Blue Ocean Hotel.
What is the hotel like?
It is modern, clean, and very quiet.
Is it a big hotel?
No, it's small, with only 20 rooms.
That's perfect. I hate busy hotels.
The rooms are very large and comfortable.
What does the bedroom look like?
It has a big bed and white walls.
Is there a balcony?
Yes, And the balcony has sea views.
That sounds wonderful for the morning.
Yes, I drank my coffee there every day.
Is the hotel staff nice?
Extremely nice. They helped us with everything.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, a small but very clean pool.
Is the hotel close to the beach?
It is just a 2-minute walk.
Wow, that is really close.
And the beach is very clean and quiet.
I think I will book a room there.
You should. You will love it.
Choosing a pet.
Look at these two dogs, Toby.
Oh, they are both so cute.
Let's look at the little one first.
What does he look like?
He has brown fur and very long ears.
He looks very playful and energetic.
Yes, he is jumping up and down.
What about the bigger dog?
The bigger one has black and white fur.
He looks very calm and quiet.
Yes, he is just sitting there politely.
Which one do you prefer?
I like the quiet one. He looks very sweet.
But the energetic one looks so fun.
True, but our apartment is quite small.
That's a good point. A quiet dog is better.
Yes, the small dog needs a big garden.
The black and white dog is beautiful.
He has lovely warm brown eyes.
He looks very friendly and gentle.
Let's ask if we can walk him.
Good idea. Let's see how he walks.
Look, his name is Buster.
That's a great name for a dog.
He is 3 years old, so he is young.
That is the perfect age.
Yes, he is already trained.
Let's talk to the worker now.